Hello guys, today we are in Kasol and going to Chalal village by crossing this bridge. Kasol is a small village which is very beautiful and very peaceful. It is located near river Parvati. The way from Kasol to Chalal takes hardly 20 to 30 minutes. Kasol is very beautiful and very famous among the youngsters and the foreigners for its mesmerizing beauty. This is the Parvati river. After crossing the bridge, the actual journey starts by the side of the river Parvati. There is a kacha path along the side with lots of ups and downs, but you will definitely love these ups and downs. The path passes through apple gardens on which the livelihood of the locals depends. These are the apple trees. These are the camps where you can stay also. The path is surrounded by dense forest with all tall trees. These are the pine trees. Look how beautiful they are, how tall they are. The beauty of Kasol is amazing. You can get rooms to stay in Kasol and also in Chalal at reasonable rates, approximately 500 to 2000 according to your budget. You can also stay at homestays with locals if you are interested in exploring the local culture. And you can also stay in cafe and tent, and you can enjoy the music and a lot of party and fun. One thing I would like to suggest you that don't forget to bring sufficient cash with you, as the ATM in Kasol generally remains out of service most of the time, and the tour and travels will charge 5% commission on the cash withdrawal. If you are planning to go for Kheer Ganga track, you can keep your luggage with these tours and travel shops. They will charge Rs 20 per bag for one day. And one more information, there is no petrol pump in Kasol. And the last petrol pump from where you can fill your tanks is 20 kilometers before Kasol towards Kullu. So if you are going to Kheer Ganga track, try to stay at Bharsani or Kalga village, which are almost 20 kilometers from Kasol, and try to reach there one night before you are going for track, so that you can start your track early in the morning. And don't forget to chill near the river and feel the flow of ever chilled water, which will lead you to forget all of your sorrows and pains and make you feel like heaven on earth. It's the best place to do meditation and yoga. Thank you for watching. Keep on enjoying. Have a great day. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe it.